Installing a new dishwasher, just like any other new kitchen appliances, requires you to measure accurately. In this video, we are going to show you how to measure for a dishwasher correctly. If you don't do this, you could end up bringing your new dishwasher home that won't fit into your kitchen space. Some dishwasher models are slimmer, shorter, or shallower. This makes a huge difference during their installation. As a general rule, you must take an accurate measurement of the width, depth, and height before you get a new dishwasher machine. Here are the tools you will need for this measurement. 1. A notepad to record every measurement you take. 2. A tape measure, preferably a contractor's tape measure that shows some specific measurements. 3. A pen. 4. Your smartphone to take photos of the measurements so you don't forget. Let's get started. Step 1. Measure the height of the rough opening. Using the measuring tape, measure the height of the rough opening or dishwasher space. This compartment or space is where you will install the new dishwasher. Place the tape measure tight on the floor in front of the opening and measure the length from the top to the bottom. This will show you the ideal height of your dishwasher. Step 2. Measure the height of the front board. The front board is what makes the dishwasher to resemble the kitchen cabinets. The front boards can be placed in front of the dishwasher before you take the measurement. It is important that you make sure it fits the dishwasher front part correctly. This is because if the front board is taller than your dishwasher, it will be difficult to open or close your dishwasher. Most times you won't be able to do this at all. There are two different types of dishwashers with front panels. They are the fully integrated dishwashers and the semi-integrated dishwashers. 1. Fully integrated dishwashers. These dishwashers have their control panel or control console inside the machine. The front board, therefore, covers all the exteriors of the machine. To get an accurate measurement, measure the entire front board height from top to bottom. 2. Semi-integrated dishwashers. These dishwashers have their control panel or console outside the dishwasher. Hence, the front board does not cover the front part of the dishwasher fully. It ends at the control console. You will measure the front board to the point the control console is embedded. Front control panels allow you to see and select dishwashing cycles easily. Step 3. Measure the depth of the rough opening. Measure the depth of the rough opening accurately. You do this by holding the tape measure and measuring against the right or left side. Then measure the depth of the compartment from behind the space or rough opening to the front. Ensure you leave extra space at least 27 inches in front of your dishwasher. This is to make loading and unloading of dishes easier. It will also make enough room to move around between the open dishwasher door and any island or cabinet. If you have a built-in dishwasher that is still installed and you cannot remove it from the compartment, measure the depth of the countertop. Then subtract 5 centimeters for pipes and ventilation behind the dishwasher. You should only measure the depth through this method if you cannot remove the machine from the space. This is because there is a greater chance that you will measure the depth too low or too high. Step 4. Measure the width of the rough opening. Determine the wideness of the dishwasher space by measuring the width of the interiors of the space. Loosen the tape measure and measure the width from the right to the left side of your dishwasher space compartment. The standard width dimension for a dishwasher space or rough opening is 60 centimeters. If your space is narrow, it will probably have a 45 centimeters width. Ensure you leave spaces at the sides to completely accommodate the dishwasher when it is installed. It is better to leave a little space than have it tightly jammed together. Step 5. Choose a product. After measuring the dimensions of the space where your new dishwasher will perfectly fit, it is time to choose a product that has its control panels in the correct place and dimensions that suits your measurement. This will ensure that it properly fits into your kitchen. Select a range of dimensions that fit into the height of the dishwasher space you have already measured. For example, if you measured a height of 86 centimeters, then you should choose a range of dimensions between 85.5 centimeters to 86.4 centimeters. After that, you must think of the interiors of your dishwasher. Dishwasher exteriors often do not affect the capacity of the interiors, but there are other methods of adding extra spaces for dishes. Most dishwashers have 2 racks, but a few come with a 3rd rack, making extra space for items that hardly fit. There are other dishwasher options you can consider if you live in an apartment where an oversized or custom dishwasher takes too much space. They include compact, countertop and portable dishwashers. Finally, we will advise that you measure twice just so you will be sure you got it right the first time. If this video was helpful, click the subscribe button below. Then hit the notification bell so you will know when we post a new video. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. And visit our website, zimdishwashers.com, for more content like this. Thanks for watching.